Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Sessions. My name is David, and today I am here with my friend Alice.
Hi everyone, I'm Alice. It's great to see you again. I hope you're having a wonderful day.
Today, Alice and I are going to talk about one of our favorite topics, food.
That's right, David. Everyone loves food. And today we'll learn many simple English words and useful sentences that you can use in your daily life.
So, whether you're eating breakfast, cooking dinner, or just relaxing at home, join us and practice your English with this fun conversation.
Don't worry if your English isn't perfect. Just listen, enjoy, and speak with us. Little by little, your English will become better.
And if you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video and subscribe to English Sessions for more easy English conversations.
All right, David, I'm getting hungry already just thinking about food.
Me too, Alice. So let's stop being hungry and start talking about food.
Okay, David, let's start simple. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. I can eat pizza every single day.
Pizza! I love pizza too, David. Pizza is delicious. Say that word with us. Delicious. Delicious.
Delicious means very, very good, very tasty. Can you say it? Delicious.
Pizza is delicious. Say it with us. Pizza is delicious.
Now, Alice, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice. I eat rice every day.
Rice, yes. So many people around the world eat rice every single day.
Rice is simple, easy to cook, and rice is very filling.
Filling. That is a great word. Filling means after you eat, you feel full. Your stomach is happy.
Yes, I eat rice and I feel full and satisfied. Perfect.
Now, listener, what is your favorite food? Think about it right now. Say it out loud. My favorite food is...
Don't be shy, just say it. My favorite food is... Go ahead.
Alice, let's teach our listeners the 3 meals of the day. Every day we eat 3 times.
Yes, the first meal is breakfast. Say it slowly. Fast. Breakfast.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day. We eat breakfast in the morning after we wake up.
I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning. A little late.
Alice loves to sleep. I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock. I wake up early.
Good for you, David. Okay, the second meal is lunch. Say it. Lunch. Lunch.
Lunch is the meal in the middle of the day, around 12 o'clock. We call 12 o'clock noon.
I eat lunch with my friends. We sit together, we talk, we eat. It is a nice break.
And the third meal is dinner. Dinner. Dinner.
Dinner is the evening meal. We eat dinner at night, around 7 o'clock.
Dinner is usually the biggest meal of the day, the most food.
Breakfast is small, lunch is medium, dinner is big.
That is exactly how I eat. Let's repeat together. Breakfast, morning. Lunch, noon. Dinner, evening.
Say it with us. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Very good.
Alice, what do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread for breakfast. Simple and delicious.
Eggs, very popular for breakfast all around the world.
Yes, and bread. Say it. Bread. Bread. Soft and warm bread in the morning is so good.
I eat toast for breakfast. Toast is bread that is cooked until it is hot and crispy.
Crispy means a little hard, a little crunchy. You can hear the sound when you bite it.
And I put butter on my toast. Butter. Butter. Butter.
Butter is soft and yellow, made from milk. We spread it on bread. So good.
Now, listener, what do you eat for breakfast? In many countries, people eat rice in the morning. In other countries, people eat eggs, bread, or oats.
Oats, like oatmeal, very healthy. Healthy means good for your body.
And pizza, Alice, is pizza a healthy breakfast?
David, maybe if you put vegetables on top.
That is my answer, and I am staying with it.
Okay, David, now let's talk about taste. How do we describe how food tastes?
Great topic, Alice. The first taste word is sweet. Say it. Sweet. Sweet.
Sweet means like sugar, like candy, like fruit. For example, this mango is very sweet.
Mangoes are sweet, cake is sweet, chocolate is sweet, ice cream is sweet.
I want ice cream now.
Focus, Alice. The next word is salty. Salty. Salty.
Salty means it has a lot of salt, like chips, like French fries, like popcorn.
I love salty food, but too much salt is not healthy. A little is perfect.
Next word is spicy. Spicy. Spicy.
Spicy food is hot. It makes your mouth feel like it is burning, like chili peppers.
I love spicy food. Very spicy. My whole family loves spicy food.
Alice, you are so brave. I like just a little spicy, not too much.
That's okay, David. Everyone is different. Next, sour. Sour. Say it, sour.
Sour is a sharp taste, like lemon. When you eat a lemon, your face changes.
Like this.
Yes, sour face. And the last taste word is bitter. Bitter. Bitter.
Bitter is a strong taste, like black coffee or dark chocolate.
I need sugar in my coffee. Black coffee is too bitter for me.
Me too, David. Okay, let's repeat all the taste words together. Sweet, salty, spicy, sour, bitter.
Say it with us. Sweet, salty, spicy, sour, bitter. Beautiful.
Okay, David, let's pretend we're at a restaurant. I'll be the waiter.
Okay, I am the customer. Let's go.
Hello, welcome. Can I take your order?
Yes, thank you. I would like a burger, please.
And to drink?
I would like water, please. Thank you.
Perfect, David. Great job.
Now, listener, let's practice that sentence together. I would like a burger, please.
Say it slowly with us. I would like a burger, please.
I would like is a very polite way to say I want. Always use this in a restaurant.
Not, give me burger now.
No, not polite. Always say I would like and always say please.
Please and thank you. Two very important words in the restaurant and in life.
Now you try. You are at a restaurant. Say it out loud. I would like blank, please.
What do you want to eat? Say it. Practice right now.
Alice, do you like to cook at home?
Yes, I love cooking, but some days I'm a little lazy.
Lazy chef. I understand completely. Let's teach some cooking words.
First word, boil. Boil. To boil means to cook in very hot water.
We boil eggs, we boil pasta, we boil water for tea.
Boiled eggs are simple, fast, and healthy. Perfect.
Next word is fry. Fry. To fry means to cook in hot oil in a pan.
Fried chicken, fried rice, fried eggs, all so tasty.
Fried food is delicious. Maybe a little oily, but delicious.
Enjoy sometimes. Next, bake. Bake. To bake means to cook in the oven.
The oven is a big hot machine in your kitchen. We bake bread, we bake cake, we bake cookies.
Warm cookies from the oven, that is the best smell in the whole world.
Alice, after this video, let's bake cookies together.
Yes, deal. And last cooking word, chop. Chop. To chop means to cut into small pieces with a knife.
We chop onions, we chop carrots, we chop tomatoes.
Onions. Oh, David, when I chop onions, I always cry. Tears come out of my eyes.
Me too, Alice. Everyone cries with onions, but onions make food taste so good.
Worth the tears.
Now, Alice, let's talk about food from different countries. Every country has its own special traditional food.
Traditional means old food, food from history, food that families cook for many, many years.
Italy, famous food from Italy?
Pizza and pasta. Pasta. Pasta.
Pasta is like noodles made from flour. We boil it and put sauce on top.
Tomato sauce on spaghetti, long, thin pasta, so delicious.
Japan, famous food?
Sushi. Sushi. Sushi, rice with fresh fish or vegetables.
Fresh. Fresh means new and clean, not old. Sushi is very fresh and very healthy.
Sushi looks like art, so beautiful and so tasty.
Mexico, famous food?
Tacos. Tacos. Tacos.
Tacos, meat and vegetables inside a thin bread called a tortilla and hot sauce on top.
For brave people. And India, famous food from India?
Curry. Curry. Curry has many spices and the most amazing smell.
When curry cooks, the smell fills the whole house, wonderful and warm.
Now, listener, what is famous food from your country? Think about it.
Tell us in the comments. Write it in English. We want to know.